Did you know that wisdom teeth are actually a remnant from our ancestors? They used to help our early human relatives chew tough foods like roots and meat. But as our diets evolved, these extra molars became more of a nuisance than a necessity. In fact, about 85% of people end up having their wisdom teeth removed due to crowding or impaction. Interestingly, some people are born without them at all. It's a genetic trait. And here's a fun fact. The term wisdom teeth comes from the age at which they typically emerge, usually between 17 and 25, a time when we're considered to be gaining wisdom. So, while they might not be so wise after all, they certainly have a fascinating history. Subscribe for more such facts.